Hi everyone! This morning I decided to make some coconut flour pancakes. I'm usually not a sweet person when it comes to breakfast. I like something savory, but I was craving something sweet this time. I've made coconut flour pancakes before and they didn't turn out really good. So this time I'm using a different recipe and hoping that they will satisfy my cravings. I'm starting off with 4 eggs, a quarter of a cup of coconut flour, a tablespoon of brown sugar. You can use any sugar, you can use coconut sugar, it will go really well. A quarter of a tablespoon of baking powder, a quarter of teaspoon salt, and a quarter of a cup of coconut milk. I'm putting everything in the blender and just blend everything together. The problem last time was that they were kind of sticky and like I could not flip them. So let's see if this time they will turn out okay. It was quite of a challenge, but after I got the hang of it, they turned out really good and I was really happy with the results. I added some blueberries, some coconut flakes. I just went to the grocery store for some ingredients. I'm planning to make root veggies for dinner. They will be just a side, and then I will make some fish. So I got some sweet potato, beets, goat beets, some colorful carrots, and I got some rosemary. And I'm just starting off by washing, peeling, and cutting all the veggies. Here are the beets and the goat beets. They need to be washed really well. And then slicing some carrots. Just kind of roughly chop them. I like bigger pieces. This is the goat beet. I've never eaten goat beet before, but it's like really tasty. I'm just putting everything in a big bowl and then I will season it. I have beets, I have goat beets, I have goat potatoes, sweet potato, and a whole onion chopped. I was looking for purple potatoes, but I couldn't find anywhere. And now it's time for seasoning this dish. I put is extra virgin olive oil, some Himalayan sea salt, and rosemary. Give it a good mix. I'm using my hands because it's easier. And then put it over baking paper on a single layer and pop it in the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or depending on your oven, for like 20-30 minutes or until it's soft. Just take it out and check it with a fork. And they are done. Took me like, my baking time was 25 minutes and they turned out really delicious. I also grilled some fish for dinner, but I forgot to film it. And then I made a salad, just some greens, radishes, cucumber, and I poured a glass of white wine because I was really tired and wanted to just have a nice dinner and relax. And here is another breakfast time. It's my usual breakfast: eggs and avocado toast. I had like some fried eggs and some hard-boiled eggs, so I made 2 sets of breakfast with some cherry tomatoes, radishes, and then I made this really nice coconut milk, kind of like Nutella, and had some strawberries with that, and it was like chocolate covered strawberries. Really delicious. And just to make it extra healthy, I added some chia seeds. I'm just coming back from the grocery store. I was at Trader Joe's and I wanted to film this, but I ended up filming it on my other channel, on my Bulgarian channel, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover, and it's going to be kind of a quick showing you quickly what I got, but I will make another video grocery haul from Trader Joe's. These are just some essentials. I feel like I'm at the grocery store every other day, especially when you eat healthy and you eat organic fruits and veggies. You have to go to the store every other day. So I'm sure I will have another trip and I will film that for you. These are just I got some eggs, some half and half. I was planning to make pizza, so I got pizza dough, some tomato sauce, and I want to show you how I make my homemade marinara sauce. I got some sparkling water, wine, orange juice, apples, my favorite Persian cucumbers that I love adding to the salads. Those are the Persian cucumbers. And then I got those acai packets. It's organic acai packets, and I was really excited because I've never used them. I decided to make a mojito since I have a lot of mint. And here I have mint and kiwi, and I will just muddle it. It's very important to muddle your mint for a mojito. I want to make it like as skinny as possible. Just a shot of Bacardi rum. And I fill the cup with ice. And then I'm gonna put, this is acai puree packets from Trader Joe's. I will put a little bit of that. And finish everything off with Perrier. Garnish with kiwi slice. I'm just gonna put it on top. Should I put it on top or like garnish it like this? And I just garnish it with a little bit more kiwi and fresh mint. Added a paper straw just for the looks because they are so cute and so much better for us. And enjoy your cocktail.